Zephyr playing. Hi. Yeah? Yeah? Yes. Zephyr. Zephyr's playing with your toys. Right. Want me to do this? Come here. Go get it. You go get it? Huh? You can go get it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. This is what our Zephyr has learned to do. Our Zephyr has learned to crawl. Yeah. Look, you got it. You do. There you go. Yes, you do, honey. You say hello? Say hello. Yes, yes, yes. We'd like that camera. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, you found your toy. Yes. He's enjoying the back and forth across the living room. Yes, hi, Zephyr. Zephyr. Say hi to Grandmom and Granddad, huh? Hiya. Hiya, uh-huh. Yes. Yes, good job. Grandmom? Getting close to those words, yes. Grandmom and Granddad, huh? Yeah? Mom is here, that's right. Mom is here. Yeah. What kind of toy do you got there? Oh, does it go round and round? Maybe. Look at that toy. It has all sorts of things. Rattles, spins, rolls. Here, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. That's right. That's all your own tune, uh-huh. Ooh. Uh-huh. Let's Molly move it over here for you. Here, we'll move it over there for you. Yeah. What does this toy do? You like that? Yeah. Okay. I gotta put some of these videos on the computer so people can see them, huh? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Bye-bye. Haha.